Hello guys, come again with me, Potut Rahman. In this video, I will make a strike through Ethernet cable using a Cat 5A cable with an RG45 connector, a crimping tool, and a cable cutter. Okay, let's get straight to it. First, you open the outer layer of the cable of size to a size larger than the connector. If so, then we will tidy it up to standard T560B, namely white orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. Okay, make sure it's correct. Yeah. White orange, white blue, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. When it's finished, trim it again and make sure the ends are the same length. If so, you can insert the connector in this way. Hold the cable in your left hand and the connector in your right hand, then insert it. Next, when you have finished, you can crimp the cable using a crimping tool in this way. Then you just have to press as hard as possible until it makes a sound. Maybe you can hear it on video because the sound is low. You if you have done this, do you do the other part of the cable the same as before? Okay, and if you have finished both, then you are finished with the strike through Ethernet cable. Thank you watching video.